Om. 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 Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Om Gananam Tva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kabim Kavinam Upamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashrinvannudiभिः Sadanam. Om Shri Mahaganapataye Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya Gurave Satchidanandamurtaye Nishprapanchaya Shantaya Niralambaye Tejase. Om Yasyatma Bhudasya Guru Prasadat Aham Vimuktasmi Samsara Bandhat Sarvopadashtu Shivanandamurte Mridvagriyukmam Pranadosmi Nityam Dayasindhum Dinabandhum Shastrarthabodhana Patum Maskarindra Varam Navami Sri Chidananda Sadgurum. Om Praninam Dukkhahartaru Jnanado Bhuvana Muktaye Shivananda Chidanandu Ashraye Guru Sattamo. Om Shantatmanam Pranata Sulabham Siddha Vidya Prabhavam Basvadrupam Suguna Nilayam Dvastakarma Divargam Prajnavriddham Nija Samadrisham Taradam Tyagivadyam Sakshat Yesham Mama Guruvaram Shivanandam Natosmi. Shivanandam Natosmi. Om. This month is called the Margashirsha. Margashirsha, this present month. Now it will be over. And so, Masanam Margashirshosmi, Bhagavan says in the Bhagavad Gita. Okay? So, in the Tirupati temple and other major Vaishnava temples, they used to sing a particular Suprabhata song. That is a Tamil song actually. It is called Tirupavai. There are 12 Alvars and 12 Alvar saints. Their books only, this all Vaishnava Sampradaya comes from them only. And there are 63 Shaivate saints. So that the Shaiva Sampradaya comes from them. We do not belong to this, neither Shaiva nor Vaishnava. We are connected with Vedas, Vaidika Sampradaya. Okay. We don't call ourselves Vaishnavas. We are Narayana Bhaktas, we are Shiva Bhaktas, we are Devi Bhaktas. So we are Smartha, they call it as. We go by Smritis and the Shruti. Shruti Smriti Purananam Alayam Karunalayam. Shankaracharya Bhagavan is also like that. So the Puja Sampradaya is also, the Panchayatana Puja, even our Vishwanath Mandir also, the same thing. Adityam Ambikam Vishnum Gananatham Maheshwaram. Gananatha is there. Mother is there. Adityam Ambikam Vishnu, Sri Krishna is there. So, Adityam Ambikam Vishnu Gananatham Maheshwaram. Shiva is there. Aditya is Pratyaksha Aditya. So, this Panchayatana Puja Sampradaya only we are doing. The other is called Agama Sampradaya. So, why I told this means, our Swami Vimalananda Maharaj is a very nice person and very simple and a very spiritual person. Normally we try to say I am a good sadhak and I do like this, I do meditate, I do this, I have studied. Vimalananda Swamiji will not say like that. I am a fool. I did not do any sadhana. I did all these mistakes, like that he used to say. So he used to say one story. Gurudev used to come early morning at 4 o'clock and wake up. Those days, the number of rooms were less. So people used to sleep around the Vishwanath Mandir. Vishwanath Mandir was only just that portion was there. And then people used to sleep around there. When they are all sleeping only, somebody stole the silver plate. You remember that story? Somebody stole the silver plate and Gurudev asked, "Hey, you are all sleeping. How that fellow stole their plate?" he asked. Then they were thinking Gurudev is going to scold them. Then Gurudev said, "In spite of all your sleeping, that fellow has very cleverly taken that." So, Taskaranam Padeye Namaha. Like that he has glorified, he used to say. So, why I say this? Because then Swamiji once told me that he was sleeping. Early morning, Gurudev came. "Oji," he called. Then he actually was he covered himself totally. So that Gurudev could not see him. Then Gurudev thought some guest is sleeping, he went away. So why I say this? Because Gurudev used to wake up, give the 4 o'clock wake-up call in the morning. Okay? Not only Gurudev gave the wake-up call, for Bhagavan also there is the wake-up call is there. That is, in the Bhagavad Gita, they are called Vandis. They used to wake up Bhagavan. And also they used to make Bhagavan to go to sleep. Okay? They prepare bed for Bhagavan and go to sleep in the Puja Sampradaya. First is Bhagavan's waking up Bhagavan. So when Vishwamitra took this Ramachandra and Lakshmana to the forest. So first day they are going out of the palace. So they were sleeping on the forest, somewhere on the ground. Vishwamitra also slept there, and morning he wakes them up. Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva Sandhya Pravartate Uttishta Narasardhula Kartavyam Devamannikam Uttishtottishta Govinda Uttishta Garudadvaja Uttishta Kamalakanta Trailokyam Mangalam Guru. This sloka, Kausalya Supraja Rama, is from the Valmiki Ramayana. And this Vishwamitra makes them wake up. Okay? So during this month, they used to sing one song, 30 days, one Alvar. She is called Andal. She is a Lady Vaishnava saint. She has composed 30 songs. And the 30 songs are called Tiruppavi, that is in Tamil. So every day they used to sing this song. In Tirupati temple also they used to sing. So every day she gives a wake-up call. These songs are wake-up calls. So I find one speciality. Normally this Vaishnava Sampradaya and Saiva Sampradaya are not matching. Many times they have differences also. But this I found, there are 30 slokas for waking up Bhagavan by the Vaishnava saints, and there are equally 30 saints by Shaivite saints for waking up Bhagavan, and Bhagavan and others. Bhagavan and others also is there. So that is also, both have got the same ending. So the last line is almost identical in both cases. So I thought that during this month I want to go through that, and I kept the book, but somehow I could not read. So I thought this month I want to finish that. So that is one of the reasons why I wanted it off between that class and this class, because I want to go through that. This year was there in my mind. So that is why I took leave and took a holiday, and then I finished it. Both I studied. Comparative study, I mean, what is this told here, what is this told here, how the difference, whether it is Vaishnava and the Shaiva Sampradaya, any difference is there, what difference is there. Technically also, I just looked into that, that's one of the reason. Okay. And then the another thing is also, in this parampara also, we start from Sannyasa parampara also. Of course, there's now our Gurudev Samadhi, we have got Shiva Pradishta, Shivalinga Pradishta. You can also have Salagrama Pradishta. In the Yati Samskara, when you make this Samadhi, it is called Adhisthana. That Adhisthana you can have Shivalinga Pradishta or Salagrama Pratishta, or just one tulasi tree, tulasi plant. So in the Madhva Sampradaya, they used to have only tulsi. So they call it as Brindavanam. Not our Brindavan, it is called that Samadhi is called Brindavan. Then Raghavendra Swamigal, you heard? Raghavendra Swami. Raghavendra Swami, that is called Brindavan. That is not called Raghavendra Swami Samadhi, they won't say. They will say Raghavendra Swami. We do say Samadhi, but it is not Samadhi. Jiva Samadhi we say. Actually it is called Raghavendra Swami, it is Brindavan. It is Madhva Sampradaya. Vishishta Dvaita Sampradaya. So others can be Shiva, both are acceptable to us. So that is why Narayanam Padmavam, the Parampara comes Narayanam Padmavam, Vasishtam Shaktim Cha Tatputra Vrasyaram Cha. Otherwise, Sadashiva Samarambam Shankaracharya Madhyamasmadacharya Bhajyanta. So, and one of the Acharyas, Guru, the first Guru, is Dakshinamurti. Dakshinamurti means what? Bhagavan sitting facing south. Normally we have Bhagavan sitting east. All the temples will be facing east. Very seldom, sometimes only, rarely we find temples facing west, temples facing north, temples facing south. Generally, Shiva temples and Vaishnava temples will be facing only east. That will not face west or north or south. Devi temples can face south and also can face west. In Shiva, temple sometimes face west. But there will be one Shiva statue which will be facing south. So in the Agama, when you construct according to Agama Sampradaya, then on the southern side, it is facing this side, so this side, the south side. The south side, there will be a Shiva temple, sitting Shiva, with folded leg and one. So that is called Dakshinamurti. Dakshinamurti is giving Upadesha. So even Sanagadi Maharshis, they got Upadesha from Bhagavan Shiva only. Even this Panini's grammar, when it comes, that Nataraja Raja, they say, actually it is Dakshinamurti only. Because he was dancing, they say, the Nataraja Raja, Uddharta Gama, and that. So the Maheshwara Sutra comes. It is Maheshwara only. So he is called Dakshinamurti. So this Dakshinamurti Stotra, usually when they study Upanishads, along with the chanting of these Shanti mantras, the Dakshinamurti slokas also, Dakshinamurti Stotra should also be studied. Because it is complete in itself. It is like a Prakarana Grantha. Dakshinamurti Stotra itself is complete. So that's Shankaracharya, after writing commentaries, he wrote Prakarana Granthas. So among the Prakarana Granthas, some are very short. So in these 8 slokas, he has actually told everything about Vedanta in that 8 slokas. So these 8 slokas will be chanted. That is 10 slokas. 10 slokas will be chanted along with the study of these Upanishads. And so I thought that we will go through that also. So what we will do is, every day we will read 1 sloka. Today 1 sloka, tomorrow 2 slokas, like that. So in course of time it will be completed. Okay? So first we will start with the 1 sloka only we will read now. I will not give the meaning. After completing when you become familiar with this Shabda, after becoming Shabda Parijaya only, you should go for Artha Parijaya. Okay? That's our tradition is. First you hear the shloka, Dharma Kshetra, Kurukshetra, you know. Then you can think what is Dharma Kshetra. Beginning you don't think actually. You don't worry about the meaning, just you will read. So 1 shloka we will read today, 2nd shloka like that we will go. Okay. So this is Dakshinamurti Stotra, 1st shloka. You go through and I will read, you just go through and then afterwards you Vishwam Darpana Drishyamana Nagari Tulyam Nijantargatam Pashyan Atmani Mayaya Behidivot Bhutam Yatha Nidrayam Yas Sakshat Kurute Prabodha Samaye Swatma Anameva Advayam Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Namidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye. So this is the first sloka. Okay. Now we will chant the Prashnopanishad Shanti Mantra. Om together. Om Bhadram Karne Bhishrunayama Devaha Bhadram Pashye Makshabhiryajatra Sthirairangai Stuštuvagum Sastanuvih Vyashema Devahitam Yadayuhu Swasti na Indro Vruddhasravaha Swasti na Pusha Vishwavedaha Swasti na Starksho Arishtanemihi Swasti no Brihaspatir Dadatu Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. So now the first mantra of Prashnopanishad. Om Sukeshacha Bharadwajaha Shaibhyascha Satyakamaha Sauryayani Chagargyaha Kausalyascha Ashwalayano Bhargavo Vaidarpihi Kabandi Katyayanaha Te Haite Brahmaparaha Brahmanishtaha Param Brahma Anveshamanaha Yesha Havai Tatsarvam Bhakshyatiti Teha Samitpanayo Bhagavantam Pippaladam Upasannaha. So because I break, I say the Visarga also, okay? Anveshamanaha, they say, Anveshamana Yesha is there, because A comes, the Visarga has gone. When I split, I read, okay? So in the first mantra, they say, 6 people go to a teacher. That is the first mantra. The names of the people to which teacher they approved. So this Prashnopanishad is from the Atharva Veda. It is like Mundaga Upanishad is from the Atharva Veda. That is from the Mantra Upanishad. It is from the Samhita Bhaga. So Mundaga Upanishad mantras are Mantra Upanishad. They are mantras belonging to Samhita. Prashnopanishad is a Brahmana Upanishad. It is from the Atharva Veda Brahmana. The difference between Samhita and Brahmana, you know. Brahmana is what is told in the Samhita, that explanation of those mantras. Sometimes where to use those mantras, how to use, that also will be there. Okay. Suppose you have got something, the turmeric powder is there. What to do with the turmeric powder? You can put it in the milk. You can put it in the sabji. So like that. So it can explain the mantras, elaborate it. Also it can say that it is to be used here. That will also, sometimes it will come. So there is not much a difference, but this is the slight difference. And Brahmana will be mostly, it will be prose. Mantras will be poetry. Okay. In the Mundaga Upanishad, most of the mantras were poetry. Here it will be prose order. So it is only a technical difference. So there are 67 mantras in 6 chapters. 6 students go to a teacher and ask 6 questions. So the teacher gives the answer. So that is the content of this Upanishad. 6 students. Who are the 6 students? 67 mantras. Mundaga contained about 65 mantras. This is 67. So these are the students. Sukesha Bharadwaja. Bharadwaja is the name of a person. Bharadwaja means Bharadwajasya Apatya Pumanu Bharadwaja. So Bharadwaja's son, it can also be his son, Bharadwaja Gotra also it can be. Okay. Now many people belong to the Bharadwaja Gotra. So te Bharadwajaha, they will say. Supposing that marriage proposal is there. So they don't marry from the same Gotra. So usually one Bharadwaja Gotra person will not marry another Bharadwaja Gotra person because they are paternally connected. So possible that is, so but they say avoid. So that what about that girl? No. Te to Bharadwajaha. We also Bharadwaja and they also Bharadwaja, so we cannot marry. So that means Bharadwaja does not mean Bharadwaja's son. It can be Gotra. But here it can be Gotra or it can be his son. So Sukeshaja Bharadwaja. Shankaracharya says what? Bharadwajasya apatya pumanu. Apatyaha. Apatya, okay. Bharadwaja's son. So Sukesha, it can be otherwise also. Okay. But anyway, Acharyas we will take. So Bharadwaja's son Sukesha, Shaibhyasya Satyakamaha. Shiberapatyaha Shaibhyaha. There was a person is called Shibi, his son is called Shaibhya. Shaibhyaha. Satyakama is the son of Shibi. They say the father also they connect. Who is he? Oh, this fellow is there. This fellow belongs to Shivananda Ashram. What does it mean? You are Shivananda's children, like that. Okay, like that. Sauryayani cha Gargyaha. This man is a Garga Gotra. Gargya is not the name. Garga Gotra. His name is not mentioned, Garga. He is Sauryayani. Suryasya Apatyah Pumane. Sauryaha. Sauryasya Apatyah Sauryayani. So it is the third generation fellow. So Suryasya Pitamaha. Okay, what is the commentary? Suryasya Apatyam Sauryaha. Sauryasya Apatyam Sauryayani. Surya's son, Saurya's son is Sauryayani. Sauryayani Gargya. So it is in the family of Surya, and his name is Garga Gotraha. Kaushalyascha Ashwalayanaha. So his name is Kaushalya, and he is Ashwalayanasya Putraha. Bhargavo Vaidarbhi. His name is Bhargava. He belongs to Vidarbha Desha. Vaidarbhi means Vidarbha Desha. So Vidarbha Deshastaha. Vidarbha Desha, the person, Bhargava, belongs to Vidarbha. Kabandi cha Katyayanaha. Katyasya Apatyam Katyayanaha. So Kabandi, Katyayana's son. Katyasya Apatyam Katyayanaha. Katyayana's Apatyam ka? No. Kabandi. Kabandi is Kabandi Namata. So Kabandi is his name. He is the son of Katyayana. Okay. Hayete Brahmaparaha. These 6 people, Sukesha, Satyakama, Gargya, Kausalya, Bhargava, Kabandi. 6 people. Okay. Their father also told, so that there won't be any doubt. Okay. Ashram also, there was 2 Brahman Swamijis. So one day will say, Police Brahman Swamiji. The other fellow is Police Brahman Swamiji. So it will distinguish actually. So that is why father's name were told. All these things, they Brahmaparaha. Brahmaparaha means those, here Brahma does not mean Parabrahman. Brahma means here it is Veda. Those who have studied Vedas, Brahmaparaha, Param Brahma Anveshamanaha. They have studied Vedas and did yajnas, all the karmas they have done. And then they wanted to know what is the ultimate reality. Param Brahma Anveshamanaha. So what to do? How to understand these Upanishads? How to know the ultimate supreme reality? How to realize God? How to realize Atma? Like that, they were Anveshamanaha, they were inquiring. Already Brahmanishtaha, so they have studied Vedas and leading a very good life. So, Yesha Havai Tat Sarvam Bhakshetiti Teha Samitpaneha Bhagavandam Pippaladam Upasannaha. So then they thought, they inquired, oh, there is one person called Pippalada. Pippalada is also not his name. Pippalam Attiyedi Pippaladaha. Pippalam Attiyedi. Pippalam means this fig fruit, you know, that people tree, fruit is pippa. So he eats that, Pippaladaha. Or can be name also, Pippaladaha. Pippalada is a great saint and a realized person. We will go and ask him. They thought that way and Samitpaneha Upasannaha. The Mundaka Upanishad it is said, the Slotriyam Brahmanishtam. What is this mantra it starts? Parikshya Lokan Karmajitani Brahmano Nirvedamayani. Tadvikyanattam Sagurimeva Abhigaccheti Samitpaneha Shrotriyam Brahmanishtam. So Samitpaneha San, they Upasannaha. They approached him. It seems that they have approached, it seems like that. They went. It's a story. So this story. These are called Do you know why these stories are told? If stories are not there, you get bored. All the time, Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya, if I tell, same thing you are going to tell me, so nobody will interest. That is why Bhagavan Sri Krishna, when there are all these stories are there, and in between, Bhagavad Gita also will come. Okay. So these are called Arthavada. In the Vedas, four ways of Vedas means including Upanishad, everything. There are 4 types of descriptions. One is called Vidhi. You do this. No, you should not go. You have to be here. You should do this. You should not eat. Ekadashi, you don't eat. This you do. Like that is Vidhi. Don't do this. Today you should not eat. Nisheda. You should observe Upavasa is Vidhi. Okay? So, and Vidhi and Nisheda. Then Arthavada. Arthavada means some stories, some glorification. If you do like that, you will get Swarga. One time if you do, you will get Swarga. Dekavaram pate, even Bhagavad Gita, one sloka, one time, one word, if you say you will get moksha, means everybody will get moksha. The Bhagavad Gita, that Mahatmya, even one sloka, half sloka, 1/4 sloka, one word also you get. Everything they say. We won't get it. It is just to make you motivating. You eat, you take this medicine, I will give you this chocolate. So you take this medicine. So chocolate, they may give or may not give. Afterwards they may not give. One chocolate they give, 2 seconds, no, tomorrow I will give. So like this is Arthavada. And then some interest will also be there. These are all Arthavada. In most Upanishads, this Arthavada will be there. So these people went to Pippalada, wanted to know what is the ultimate reality. That is inquiry. So when they went there, Tanha Sarishiruvacha Bhuyaye Vatapasa Brahmacharyena Shraddhaya Samvatsaram Samvatsyata Yathakamam Prashnan Pritchata Yadi Vijñasyamah Sarvam Havo Vakshyama Iti. Tanha Sarishiruvaja. When they went, the Rishi told, okay, please sit down and I will teach. He did not say like that. Bhuyaye vatapasa brahmacharyena shraddhaya samvatsaram samvatsyata. You remain here for 1 more year, doing tapasya, observing brahmacharya, and with shraddha, control of senses, etc. Bhuyayeva. I know that you are already have done some tapasya, upasana, studied, everything you have done. But little more you remain here in observing tapa alochane, control, with brahmacharya, tapasya and shraddha. You remain here for 1 more year. Then afterwards, yatha kamam prashnan prichyata. Afterwards, whatever you want to ask me, you ask me. If I know, I will tell everything. So the teacher does not give an answer immediately. That is usually the tradition is, when you ask something, yes. Whether it is genuine or just for, sometimes, many times many people used to ask questions. They are not sincere. Just because you are there, you want to ask questions, you ask. So whether they are real, sincere, and whether it will enter into their mind, if your thirst is sincere, if you have genuine interest, 1 word is enough. All these problems are there. Don't worry, Bhagavan will protect you. You say this. You also say this without any faith in that statement. And they also hear it without any faith in the statement. Okay, am I right? People come and, don't worry, Bhagavan will help you. Do you believe really Bhagavan will help her? Help that man? And whether they believe. If you chant this, Bhagavan will come. One sloka is there. And do you really believe that? Why you have not come? You should ask. Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavati, way we say. Why he has not come? I have told you why he has not come. We have never asked him. You are not Patita Bhavana. You are cheating me. Why don't you quarrel with him? If you quarrel with him, he will definitely come. Okay? If you have faith, you have told me that you chant, I will come. Why you have not come? You quarrel. You have no faith. If I say, tomorrow you come, I will give you that, I say. If I don't give you, tomorrow you come and ask me. If you don't give you, yesterday you told me that why you are not like this, you are quarreling. Okay. Don't you will not quarrel? Same way, why don't you quarrel with Bhagavan? We don't quarrel. Why? Because we have not believed that word. When I say, tomorrow you come, I will give you, you have believed. Am I right, Swamiji? So we don't believe in God actually. That is the problem. Bhagavan will definitely do it. But we have no faith. We should admit all these things. Bhagavan will bless you. Smaradah padakamalam atmanam abhiyachasi. You just think about his padakamala. He will give himself to you. Tam namaiti upasita namyante asmai kamaha. You say nama, nama, you do upasana. Whatever you want, you will get it. So you say, Nama, Bhagavan, I surrender unto you. You give me all these things. He should give. You have not told sincerely, he also not. That is exactly the reason. That is why they will always say, you stay here. And then that's a test. You know, when this story, Satyakama story is being told, Satyakama, make Satyakama this make into 1,000 cows and come back. He goes there, 1,000, when it became 1,000 comes, the bull says, hey Satyakam, we have become 1,000, take us to Guru. And the bull gives Upadesha. And then when he comes to the Guru, hey Satyakam, you seem you are an enlightened person. It seems you know everything. Who taught you? Who will teach you? You have to teach me. Then he told the same thing what the bull says. So if the faith is there, automatically it is happened. Bhagavan will take care of me. He will protect me if you believe. It is his duty. He will protect. But we don't have faith. You think about it actually. We have heard so many times. But that faith will not come because the purity of the mind is not there. Otherwise, why should we fear? That is why they say, Samvatsaram samvatsyata. Then yathagamam prashnan prachyata. Yadi vijnasyamaha sarvam habo vashyami iti. Atakabandi katyayanaha upetya papracha bhagavan kuto havaimaha prajaha prajayanta iti. Then after 1 year, this Kabandi Katyayana, the Kabandi approached Upetya Papracha, he asked Bhagavan, hey Bhagavan Guru, Kuto Havaimaha Prajaha Prajayantedi. From where all these, whatever we see here, whatever existing here, all these people, all these living beings have come from? We ask this. This question is there in everybody's mind. But you don't ask the same way. Now, for example, one person comes here, is talking to Shiva Bhaktan Swamiji. When he goes, Swamiji, who was that person? I ask, who was that person? Somebody comes and talks to him, we ask him, who is that person, Swamiji? We want to know who is that person. Why do you want to know who is that person? One fruit, unknown fruit is there in the market. Hey, what is this fruit? Oh, this is this, like that. Some 50, 60 years before, I used to come to Delhi from official purpose. So I used to go to the sweet stall, Bikaner sweet. And then I will see a lot of sweets are there. Most of the sweets we have not seen. In South India, these sweets are not there. One day the kulfi or something was there. This is sweet. What type of sweet it is? Then I asked my friend whether it is vegetarian. Whether these sweets are vegetarian, I asked. Then he laughed. Sweets cannot be non-vegetarian. What type of question you are asking? So even that, what type of sweet? What is this sweet we are? What is this? So the inquiry, what is this, is always there in our mind. What is this? Who is this? Oh, who is this? Ah, this is Islam. Suppose if it's a village. Who are you? Who is your father? Oh, I'm so-and-so son. Acha, he's son. So we want to know who is that person? Who is his father? Why this Kapandi Katyayanaha, Gargyaha, Sukeshaha, Sauriyayani? Why all these things are told? We want to know who is his father. Is it not there common in you? Somebody comes, Acha, from where you are? Acha, who is the small child? One boy comes, आप कौन है? And then, Swamiji, I'm so-and-so's ladka. Acha, Satish ka ladka, right? Because Satish is known to us. So likewise, we want to know who is that person, who is the creator. Who is the creator? All your enquiries, how it has come. What is your enquiries? From where it has come. Who has created it? All enquiries are centered on this point. Do you understand this? We don't, where is Bhagavan? We don't, who created this? Why all these stories told in all the religious scriptures? The Srishti Leela is explained. We want to know who is this, means what? Who is the father, how he came here, what brought him here. When somebody comes to you, who is that man? Kyun idhar aaya? Why do you ask that question? This question is, Kyun idhar aaya, aap aaya? What for you have come here? Hey, what for you have you have come to the ashram? That's not the question. What for you have come to this earth? Who pushed you to this earth? Why there is a birth for you? From where you are born? This question is there in a very crude form in every one of you. Understand this actually. So nobody is a atheist here. Knowingly or unknowingly, everyone is inquiring the source from where we have come. You understand me? All your inquiries are ultimately how this has happened, why it happens. Koham, katamidam jatam. That is the question. When you say that in a crude way, you don't understand. Who am I? The inquiry, no, what is this? Who am I? Why should you inquire who is Bhagavan? Who is Krishna? I want to see him. Why do you inquire who is Krishna? That who is that? Who am I? That who am I only becomes who is Krishna. I want to have Krishna. Why do you want to have Krishna? Why don't you have gold? I will give you gold. You don't want. I want to know Bhagavan. Why do you want Bhagavan? What is your problem? Money I will give you. Yartha I will give you. So we want that. Why you want it? So all our questions are centered around this one inquiry, how this came into existence. So as a small baby, we ask the mother, how I am born. How I am born. She will say, God has given you. So the question is, who am I? Why I am here? What is my relationship here? What is my relationship with you? What is my relationship with everything here? Is there anybody who has created this? If such a one has created, what is my connection with him? Why should we love Bhagavan? Because we believe he is our father. Tvameva mataja pita tvameva. Whether he is the father and mother. He is the father's father, mother's mother. That is why we are inquiring that father and mother only we are inquiring. We are inquiring our Janita. Okay? So, all people are inquiring how this world has come into existence, how these things are born, how I am born. I want to know my source, from where I have come from. From where are you from? I am from Orissa. Acha, Orissa? That's that essential place. We want to know where are you come from. Suppose if you are in England, somebody says, Acha, where are you from? I am from India. That I understand, from which place of India. I am also from that place. So we are inquiring that. Why we are inquiring? Indirectly, we are inquiring our source. So everyone, maybe somebody may be doing wrong thing, right thing, that's all secondary. In the activities are all coming, but fundamentally, everyone, all of you, whether good or bad, whether highly educated or not at all educated, right from the poor fellow who has not studied anything to the topmost scientist, all are, there is a hidden desire in their mind, very strong desire in the mind to know who is the creator of all these things. That is why in all the Shastras, this creation story is there. Not only in our books, even Bible also starts how God created this. In the Islam it is there. Everywhere it is there. Why it is there? It is the question of the humanity. We want to know from where I have come from. Because that is my source. That is our Janma Bhumi. The place I belong to, that only. I belong to that place. We do not belong to India, this place, that place, Shivanandashram. We all belong to that place only. That place includes everything. It includes India, it includes America, it includes South America, Australia, everything. Okay? So, she asked the question, Kuto havai maha prajaha prajayante. How this, all these, we see all those things are there. All these things have come from where? How they have come here? Why they are here? How they have come here? How they were born? Why they are born? So we want to go beyond birth and death. We want to go beyond birth and death. Nobody wants to die. If you don't want to die, you should not be born. So you want to go beyond birth. If you go beyond birth, death is not there. The desire is, I don't want to die is also there, you know. Not only I want to know my place, and I don't want to become non-existing. I want to exist always. Do you want to die? You ask somebody. No. Even in worst pain is that you take to a good hospital. Give me some injection so that I don't feel the pain. So we want to know from how we have born, and we don't want to die also. If you don't want to die, I should not be born also. So we want to go beyond birth and death. And we want to know who created us, how we came from. I belong to which place? So that is the question. So for that he tells, Taspai sahovacha prajakamo vai prajapatihi satapotapyata satapastapva समिथुनमुत्पादयते रयिं च प्राणं च इत्येतौ मे बहुधा प्रजा करिष्यति इति. So next he says, then he gives the answer. That we will see tomorrow. Okay. So now we will conclude with this first Dakshinamurti Stotra, first sloka, and then Shanti Mantra. Okay. Together. Vishwam Darpana Dishyamana Nagari Tulyam Nija Andargatam Pashyan Atmani Mayaya Behidivot Bhutam Yatha Nidraya Yas Sakshat Kurute Prabodha Samaye Swatmanameva Advayam Tasmai Sri Guru Murtaye Namidam Sri Dakshina Murtaye. Om Bhadram Karne Vishnunayama Devaha Bhadram Pashye Makshabir Yajatra Stire Rangai Stuštuvagum Sastanubi Veshema Devakitam Jadayuhu Swastina Indro Vrdashravaha Swastina Pusha Vishwavedaha Swastina Starksho Arishtanemihi Swastino Brihaspadir Dadatu. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om.